get started, click on Projects on the top menu. You can select an existing project from the list or create a completely new project by clicking on Create New Project. For the purpose of this video, we'll show you how this works with an existing project. Now, scroll down to the section where you can create invoices, enter payments, and add additional products purchased by a customer. To create a payment, enter a description in the text box, enter the amount of hours or pieces in the Amount section, click on the drop-down menu under Unit to change the unit's format if needed, enter a price, and then finally a discount if relevant. To add products purchased by a customer, click on Add Product and select a product from the pop-up window. This product will now appear in the Goods section. You can also add additional products by clicking on the Additional Purchases button. This will allow you to manually enter products and all of the details of a purchase. To complete, click Save. Now that the project is saved, you can click on the Payment button. A new pop-up window will open showing you a full breakdown of the payments you created on the project page, including any deposits previously paid. To indicate that the customer has paid in full, simply click on the Paid button. If the customer is only making a partial payment, enter the amount of the payment in the Invoice Amount box and then click on Paid. Regardless of whether this is a full payment or a partial payment, clicking Paid will open a new window where you can enter the date the payment was received, the payment type, and any additional relevant information. Once complete, you may see an additional pop-up if there is a non-cashed out deposit on this project. That completes the payment process. Alternatively, if a client is not making a payment or is only making a partial payment, you can click on the Create Invoice button to create an open invoice that can be paid at a later date. This will open a page with all of the details of the invoice. Here you can download and print the invoice by clicking on the PDF symbol, change the details of the invoice by editing the date and title, and edit the text that will appear on the invoice. If you make changes, be sure you click Save at the bottom to lock those changes in. To email an invoice, simply click on the Email button. Your default email software will open with a pre-filled email, including a link to download their invoice. All you have to do is hit the Send button and the customer will receive the invoice. Lastly, to indicate that an invoice has been paid, click the Paid button to enter the payment details as demonstrated previously. All paid and open invoices will appear at the bottom of the project page, helping you keep track of all deposits and payments received. All past invoices can easily be found by clicking on Invoices on the top tab. You can sort invoices by unpaid and archived invoices using the drop-down list, by clicking through the different categories, or by clicking on the left and right arrows or the page numbers. To open an invoice, simply click on it. From here, you can modify, email, and enter payments using the previous steps. Thanks for watching.